Hello students, in this chapter you are going to learn chapter 7 Python functions. Part 4 Scope of the variables. I hope you remember the scope of the variables LEGB rule. Same you are going to apply and see here. So scope of a variable refers to the part of the program where it is accessible, area where you can refer or use it. Scope of the variable means the space or the area where we can use the variable. We can say that scope holds the current set of variables and their values. We will study two types of scopes. One is local scope, another one is global scope. What is local scope? A variable declared inside the function's body or in a local scope is known as local variable. What is the rule? A variable with local scope can be accessed only within the function or block that is created in. When a variable is created inside the function, the variable becomes local to it. Here the variable is created inside the function block means the indentation. Here there is no curly brace, so you should be very careful about it. A local variable only exists while the function is executing. Format arguments are also local to function. So we'll see what is local variable. Here is an example. LOC is a function, y equal to 0, print y. The function is called, it is printed. Here it will say the error error occurs because we are trying to access the local variable y in a global scope. Do you understand the point? Here the print statement is within the function. Here is y creator and here it is printed. The scope is from this place to this place alone. So it is printing. When the same y is taken outside the scope, it says error. See the execution. As the y is inside, we are printing, it is giving the value as 0. Same program, when this line is taken out, it will say error. Okay, because the y is not defined. Y is inside the function, but it is called outside the function. So it is in the global place. So it is an unknown. So how to make a variable global? So global variable can be used anywhere in a program. It can be created by defining a variable outside the scope of any function block. What is the basic rule for global keyword? When we define a variable outside a function, it's global by default. You don't have to use global keyword. Underline the word, don't need to use the keyword global. We use global keyword to read and write a global variable inside a function. We'll see what is the difference. Here they are saying don't use, but here they are saying use global keyword. We'll see that. Example. Here c equal to 1. Def add print c and ask. So it's a normal function, but c is above the function definition, so it is a global variable. It is printing. It won't say any error. Now we'll run the program. So we are getting 1. C equal to 1, print C. Actually C is present on the global variable. It is taken inside the function. It is not saying any error. Here C equal to 1, C equal to C plus 2, incremented by 2. It's saying error. We'll check. C equal to C plus 2. Why it is saying error? First, it is allowed to access. While we are asked to print, it printed the value. But while we are modifying a variable in a global place, it is saying the error. So how to rectify this? Without using the global keyword, we cannot modify the global variable inside the function, but we can only access the global variable. So how to modify? See the example, global x. When we add the keyword, then we are able to modify it. So global C. Is it clear, children? First thing, local variable is inside the function. Next point, global variable means it will be outside the function. But a global variable can be accessed. But if we need to modify the global variable, then we must use the keyword global, or else we cannot modify a global variable inside the function. So they have given global and local variable in the same code. Here x is a global variable, y is a local variable. So here x is a global variable. The function name is LOC, global x, y equal to local. Your word is assigned to the variable y. Here x equal to x star 2. It is allowed because we are using the keyword global. Print x, print y. So two variables are used here. One is local variable, another one is global variable. So the local variable is y, it is printing local. The global variable is 8. Here it is modified. So it is saying as 16. For doing this modification, we need the keyword global. So you understand 3 points. One is what is local variable, that is inside the function. Next one is what is global variable, which is defined outside the function, is said to be global variable. Third point, to modify a global variable inside a function, we must use the keyword global. 3 points we have learnt yet. So one more point. Here the global variable and local variable are in different names. This is x and this is y. There may be a situation where global variable and local variable are same. How to differentiate it? Here they are given an example. So in this example, x is 5. As it is above this, it's a global variable. Then local function definition. Here is a x. This x is local variable as it is inside. So we are printing x here. If we ask to print in the global place, it will take the value of 5. Inside it will take the value of 10. Even though the variable names are same, as the scope differs, there won't be any error in execution. Is it clear, children? I'll explain. X is in global place. This X is in local place. Here is a print X. Here also a print X. But it won't say any error because it is clear. The program is clear that this X belongs to this local variable and this X belongs to the global variable. So it is giving us 10 in local. In global it is giving us 5. Is it clear, children? Local variable, global variable, how to access the global variable inside the function. There won't be any error for accessing. Only for modification we have to use the keyword global. So in this chapter, up to this are the local and global variable scope. I hope you understand this. Thank you. Have a good day.